Hello guys, almost forgot about translation. Do you hear me? Today I will try to speak at my horrible English. Hello. Today we look at how to run a Stable Diffusion with Docker and generate some arts and change existing images. Yeah, I think we can start. First of all, you should open my repository called BlackFox Stable Diffusion Web UI Docker and clone it at your computer with git clone. After all, you got the same, and you got Docker Compose and Makefile. If you already not have been installed Docker, you should do it. It's pretty simple. You can do it with Choker or just direct download from the Docker website and install it on your computer. So many tutorials, get started and so on. It's pretty simple steps. After all, you can use Makefile or just copy and paste commands from Docker file, from Makefile in your console. First command is about build UI. It's downloading all assets and so on. You should wait a bit. Yeah, sorry guys, today I'll try to speak with English. I know my English is not pretty good, only B1 level. But I think this is more important, not my speech, only just following my steps and do the same. Picture on YouTube is more important than voice, you know? Just wait a bit. This image contains a few web UI for Stable Diffusion. Invoke, Auto, it's my favorite. Auto CPU. If you don't have a good GPU adapter, you can use your CPU. Skill and skill cell. But today we look at Auto. It's going by default. You can set up and run UI with setting up name of profile. Auto is default choice, but you can change this string and go to another web UI. Yeah, you can use Stable Diffusion and with any GPU, but NVIDIA is superior, and RTX modern video card is a good choice. I have a RTX 19. Oh, I don't know about Apple Silicon. You can look at documentation, Stable Diffusion. You can do it, but it's not a perfect solution for Silicon. Stable Diffusion is not pretty optimized for M1. While downloading, I can show you a very good website for models, and site names civitai.com. Just register at this. This site have many adult content and so on. You can disable it in your profile or enable if you need this. And most important labels is checkpoint and LoRa. This is big difference. Checkpoint is have a huge size. This is a Dream Booth format, and this is a starting point for your generation. It's trained on many images, usually merge another Dream Booth files and so on. You should download one or two, but you can use only one at one time at generation. It's starting point for generation. Also, LoRa is a bit lighter, and you can use many LoRas at one time for generate your image. You can set up way of generation. For example, you can use this pretty lady and add a bit of this anime. So long. You can open this site and look at other solutions. Also, you can look at gallery of other users uses this generation and copy their prompts if it exists. Yeah, you can copy prompt and negative prompt for generation and get the pretty close result. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty long. I believe it almost done. Also, at this image, I add additional ngrok. Ngrok, this is a special service to provide access and make tunnel from another computers. For example, you can run this image on your computer with outside of NAT and without direct access from the internet, but with this image you can create access for your container and open web UI at your phone or table in other place, for example at a restaurant or so on, or give somebody else access for generation, for example for a girl or somebody else without strong GPU. You can just share your service. You need to open a website ngrok.com, create your account. It's for free. Oh yeah, completely. After that, you just need create config at data ngrok YAML. Create config with your token and open the and you got what Docker. Just install Docker and reboot computer, and that's all. Docker is pretty simple. Yeah. Right now we download almost all and ready to start. Let's start our web UI with this command, or just run at the console make start. Oh my god. Wait a bit. Yeah, our image was started. You can observe some logs. Also, we can start our ngrok to provide access from the internet. Yeah, we start ngrok container and add Docker, open your containers, your Docker Compose, Web UI Docker, and look at logs at ngrok container. Wait a bit. Where's my log? What's wrong with that? Maybe this. Can't observe my logs. Maybe another way. Without the touch. Maybe Web UI is still... No. I don't know what's wrong with ngrok today. Wait a bit. I don't know, to be honest, what's wrong with ngrok. But okay, it's not a problem for us. After all, you can open the link. Maybe it's not ready. Web UI is still downloading. Yeah, ngrok is running, but Web UI is still downloading. Or maybe something wrong with that. Yeah, I think we should wait a bit. Oh, this should be still okay. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe bind this on another port. No, Docker is completely free. You can just download and use it. Absolutely free. Free from any charge. I don't know. Let me try to restart Web UI. Maybe we should wait for a bit. Now I bind it to another port. Maybe this is fixed. Yeah, I think we should wait a bit. But after ngrok is running, service for providing direct access to your container, you can run panel for it to localhost 1717. Oh, gospel. 1440. My bad. 4040, and look at the console. And you got a web URL to access it from the internet. But right now my container is not running. We should wait a bit before web UI is starting. Yeah. First run especially so long. It has a heavy size and I have a few models for it. I believe we should wait a bit. I didn't expect that be so long. No, it's absolutely not about Flutter, it's about Stable Diffusion and generation. How to generate and inpaint in your images and so on. You can just create with Stable Diffusion some icons or maybe generate some ideas for UI and so on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we should wait a bit and then I show you how to work with that. How to work with UI and generate. but image almost not working properly. I don't know. Let's wait a bit. Maybe if this is not started today, I just provide another video in offline and show you how to manage. Oh, I'm sorry, I have no any pre-trained models yet. But you can download model and use it like another image generation. Just get some prompt and negative prompt and try to get something interesting. Oh yeah. Oh, let's get started. we should wait a bit for the first time. It's okay to be honest, be so long at first startup. Also, you can observe my port number is 2, but in your config this is be as a 0, like this, because I've changed locally. Yeah, and we ready to go. Also, we can use your link. Please do not connect from my computer yet, but you can use it from the internet. Right now I disable it. Yeah, but you can just copy this link and send somebody, or maybe send to your table and go to something outside and generate image remotely. Yeah, we're ready to start. Here is our web UI. Here you can select a Dream Boost model. That's checkpoint from the Civit IE. You can just download it. After downloading, you can unpack this into data folder and I forgot. Wait a bit. No, I just download. No. Just download checkpoints and unpack it to Stable Diffusion folder. Data, Stable Diffusion folder. After all, you can open your UI and hit this button and select pre-trained model. I just pick standard Stable Diffusion. Also, after you can download LoRa and unpack it into LoRa. After all, let's get started. Let's generate something. Bluebird, for example, and hit the generate button. First generation is a bit long. Let's wait again. It's okay. Only first generation is we should waiting a bit, but after that it's still okay. Yeah, our model is ready, and let's get started. Yeah, our bluebird. Also, we can add maybe paint artwork. Maybe we can also this image is you often want to get a few examples to continue, and you can set up a batch count and generate a few image and one prompt. For example, I set up 4 and hit the generate button, and let's go. And we got a 4 bird at once. Also, we can get negative prompts. I don't know. Maybe let's add a positive prompt, masterpiece, and negative prompt. I don't know. Maybe children drawing. And we got more realistic birds. Also, maybe we should exclude some watermarks, like this. Marks. Signature in realistic. Okay, I don't know. To get more realistic birds without without some signature or watermarks and so on. I think this is a pretty good one. We can pick it here. Also, I usually you should generate at this size. This is a more precise size and more convenient. You can increase the sampling steps to get more detailed image. For example, set 40. And you can choose a CFG scale to get more creative results. Also, you can set up a seed to get the same result every time. I think this is a pretty good one. Let's pick this and proceed with this image. Now we can just download this image, but I think this is hit the save button or download many at once. But now we can proceed with this image and make it better, much more better. And for this we should hit the send to image button, and we got a second tab. Also, you can upload here your own image, maybe your photo from the phone, or maybe download image from the internet or something like that. Upload image here, and you can fix some get something like this, get likeness of the image. For example, we absolutely love this pose, love these colors, love this branch, and so on, and we just want to get something like that image, and we just leave the same prompt, or maybe add something else, and proceed with negative prompts. Maybe we can try to add yellow color. And right now we got image very close to the source image. This is not the same, and you can change this bar to get the new image, and also you can change batch count to 4. Maybe we can set a more here. Oh, this is pretty big. Wait, you can always interrupt the generation process and leave this a little bit lower to generate something more faster. Right now, our birds is pretty close to source image, but almost without yellow color, except the first one, because we leave yellow as negative prompt. But I believe yellow pretty good color for our birds. Also, we can add something like this in forest. Dropped. Yeah, and we got 4 birds in forest, pretty close to source one. Maybe let's pick this one. I like it. Send to image to proceed with generation again, and we can lower denoising strength to get a more precise and more close image. For example, 0.3, and let's generate again. Now birds will be more close to source image with this denoising strength. Look, pretty the same. But of course we can make it higher to get a more original result. Let's pick this one. Now we can proceed with image to image and change something else. But let's to continue with another step. Oh no, let me show you LoRa. I sent to image again, and after we downloading some LoRa, maybe Moxin. Wait, I have one of this. Yeah, I already have a Moxin LoRa for this one image. We should just download this unpacked into LoRa folder. After that, we should press this one, valid button, open LoRa, tap, clicks refresh, and you got your LoRa's. Hit this one, and you got your LoRa name. After all LoRa, you can observe the number 1. This is a way of generation. If you set up this LoRa, you get a more unrelated image for this model. But you can set it as higher and get a more relevant to this LoRa. Let's hit the generate button again and get some result. Link it with this Moxin LoRa. Wait a bit before Stable Diffusion generated. And now we got birds more close to like Chinese painting. But this is not a pretty one. Let's set a LoRa way like 0.6 and generate this. Hit the generate button again. Also, you can use multiple LoRa's at once. It's not a problem at all with different weights, like this. It's pretty okay. And now we mix our bird with Chinese painting. It's a very beautiful result. Let's pick this one, yeah? I think this is more convenient for us. Also, we can again click to send to image and generate something else. and get another pose or something like that. Now we have a pretty big denoising range to get more original results. To get various ideas. No, I don't like it. Let's make strange a bit lower to get a more close image for source. No, let's hit this button again. No, with fit is pretty okay. We can fix it later. It's okay for us. Do not look at same details. Look at the whole picture. If everything pretty okay, but nose is bad or maybe feet is bad, it's not problem at all. We fix it right now. Let's fix this one. I think this is okay for us. And now we can proceed to inpaint. Click and send to inpaint. And you open this at inpaint. And let's fix same details. Some details. For example, maybe add something. For example, let's try to add a worm. Maybe this is a worm. This one. Oh no, wait. Let's add more denoising strange to like that. No, let's make it more. Yeah. No. For example. No, it's not working. Let's try this one. No, we just change her neck. So creepy. I don't know. Maybe let's get a clone. Maybe for worm we need a pre-trained model. Let's try to add a clone. Maybe clone. Working for us. No, it's working. It's not working. It's not working at all. Absolutely nothing. Let's follow our sampling steps to faster result. I don't know. Yeah, we got a crown. We got a crown. Finally. Yeah, here it is, our crown. Let's get this image, send to inpaint again. Oh no, send to inpaint again. And let's get something like that. It's okay. I should you got the idea of generation. No. Yeah. This one is pretty good. Yeah. I think this is okay for us. Send to inpaint. Roll our way. Let's get started again. I think this is more convenient to add Chrome in Photoshop. Or maybe upload some models trained on crowns or jewelry. Let's try again. Maybe increase our way. Completely not. I don't like it. Let's be just a head. Maybe head is Add just head. No, 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 it's not working, of course. Let's try add just head. Yeah, pretty close. Maybe we should make it bigger. I think this is good. This is a good idea. Just download your image, open it in Paint, and add a layer with head, and just try to generate with this headgear again. Let's get this. Oh no. Let's try a few times. Again. And proceed. No. I think Stable Diffusion doesn't know how to bird can wear the hat. We can hit more way. And maybe make this lower. Yeah, but I want to perfection. No. I want to perfection. Yeah, I think this is nice. Let's pick this one. And right now maybe we can try to fix her feet. You can add something to prompt, but I want to get another results. Just try to get something other fits and pick the best. Yeah, you can use generated pics free of charge. With Stable Diffusion allowed. It's completely open source. Also, machine learning is about people learning. It's the same, I believe. Let's get a few tries and generate more beautiful feet. No, this is awful. Absolutely disgusting. Oh, this is close one. No. Let's try to add more sampling steps. I don't like any of this. Nice one. Yeah, I think we can pick this one and try again. Maybe let painting area is bit larger. And let's try to repaint whole area. No. I can use another model, more realistic, but we should wait a bit larger to while this is initializing at first time. Let's pick less disgusting and proceed with this to next step of our artwork. No. Absolutely not. Yeah, this is a nice one. I think we can pick this and fix only this feet. Try to fix this feet. Let's try to fix only this feet. No. Yeah. We just download and pick the more realistic model, like this, I believe. Or maybe a model pre-trained on bird, like we can pick realistic vision or something like that. I'm a bit scared to open this image because this site contains many not safe for work content, and YouTube just banned me. But you can download a model like this, like that, and use it for your generation. Or maybe find something linked with birds, for example, like that. Maybe nature. Yeah, I already disabled it, but pretty scary at all. Yeah, let's proceed with this one. It's pretty okay for me. Yeah, it's worked for me. Let's continue. We can add something else, but we can send it to image again, for example, and add, for example, filter like anime or like that. Maybe then. Let's try to go away. Yeah, inpainting is about it. You can just paint what you want to change, add something some prompt, and try to get a new one. Oh. This is what we do. Like that. Maybe we can set up a way for what? I don't know. And delete this one. Detailed. Ah, yeah, of course you can. In Paint you can select in Paint masked, in Paint not masked, and so on. You have many to-go buttons here. Oh, yeah. No. I want no result. Let's pick this one, and I know it's a bit. Let's try to generate. Let's increase of motion way and get it like more painting look. Let's delete this here. Also, if you all generated results located at data and forgot about output, located at output and here you can find all your prompts. For example, you can find all generated birds. Text to image, image to image. Like, I don't know, maybe. Let's pick. Let's pick. Let's try to generate something more. No, I don't like it. No, okay, masterpiece. Dude. I believe source bird is more pretty. That's this one. But now we got a more detailed. Let's try to regenerate our result again. Here, nice one. But legs are broken again. Let's try this hint. In increase. I think good idea is add boots or something like that, or maybe fix in Photoshop, add feeds from another photo and just send to Stable Diffusion, and it can combine drawn hands or drawn feet with birds and generate something more realistic. Oh no. Let's add a dragon head. This is nice one. I don't know. I don't know. Nice one. And let's got our final result. We can proceed with something like that. Generate a pretty close image to pick the best one from all of this. Let's pick this one. And right now our image have a little lower resolution. Let's upscale it. For this, we can pick a script, Stable Diffusion upscale. Also, Stable Diffusion have outpainting. I never tried it, but let's try this. Just select outpainting or push man outpainting and select the area to expand our source image. And also you can select outpainting direction. That's what's wrong. Wait. Maybe we should increase. I don't know. I never tried it before. Let's try to another. Outpainting MK2. Outpaintings allowing to expand source image and more details. But I've never tried it before. No, it's not working at all. Let's try it again. Permanent outpaintings and just increase the steps. Maybe we got a better result. Batch count 1. Maybe we should pick original. Oh no, it's working. We should just increase sampling steps to get better result. Nice one, but let's get another toggle. Let's try again. No, it's not working. Let's just add sampling steps. Maybe we should increase the denoising strength. I think we just need to read documentation about this feature, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe lower blur value. I don't know, but looks pretty good. Let's pick this one. But just look at the internet how to use it properly. You can expand your image. Let's pick this one, and let's regenerate whole image one more time. Yeah, nice one. Let's pick this. And right now we should to make a bigger resolution. For this, we should pick a script, Stable Diffusion Upscale, and select the algorithm. You can find in the internet table what algorithm you should pick for another artwork, styles, and so on. For example, LDSR is pretty long, but good for photo and something like that. Anime 6B is good option for anime. We can make this bird less realistic, but more like anime style. Let's try. We can select a upscale factor. How many times we should upscale our image. Let's pick this filter and click the generate button to get more bigger image. This is a pretty long process, especially for bigger images, for algorithm like LDCR. Just wait a bit. To get a bigger bird. Yeah, that's all. Now you can save your bird or just pick from this folder. Click download button and you can open your bird. Nice one. With inpainting you can update some results, add something else, but I think this is good one for beginning. That's all. Thank you for your patience and attentions. Goodbye, guys.